Imagine battling a condition that not only affects your skin but also your spirit. This is Smita's journey of resilience and healing. Meet Smita, a woman who embodies warmth and wisdom, who is in her mid 40s and has spent years battling the relentless challenges of eczema. For nearly a decade, she experienced the pain and embarrassment of flare ups. But after years of clear skin, Smita faced a devastating relapse that threatened not only her skin but her emotional well being as well. Today, we delve deep into Smita's journey, a powerful testament of resilience, holistic healing, and rediscovering joy in life. Before we dive into Smita's journey, I want to share that she came to me at Oleum Cottage seeking guidance for her eczema. Throughout her journey, we stayed in touch, exchanging experiences and insights as she navigated the ups and downs of her condition. Today, I'm excited to share her incredible journey with all of you as it's a powerful testament to resilience and the healing process. She did not want to come and speak to the camera, but she gave me her permission to speak her story and shared a few of her images with us, which I'll be sharing along the way. From a young age, Smita was no stranger to discomfort. In her childhood, she often felt different, painfully aware of her flaring skin that would become red, itchy, inflamed, especially during stressful times or following harsh weather changes. As she grew older, the physical signs of eczema became a source of embarrassment. She wore long sleeves in the summer and avoided swimming pools, dreading the whispers and curious looks. But she learned to adapt. Through trial and error, Smita found temporary relief through creams, medications. Yet, the shadow of eczema loomed large. Her years of clear skin. After years of searching for answers, Smita discovered a holistic approach to managing her eczema. This was the first time she came to us for a better understanding of activated oils and topical creams that work for eczema. She focused on nourishing her body from the inside with whole foods, embraced mindfulness, and incorporated yoga into her daily routine. She experimented with natural skincare products by adding restorative oil and ultra healing cream from Oleum Cottage to her skincare routine, learned the importance of hydration, and diligently maintained a healthy lifestyle. Over time, Smita enjoyed years of clear skin, a time she cherished deeply, filled with joy, laughter, and newfound confidence. But as life would have it, this peace was about to be tested. Then, out of the blue, life threw a curveball. After experiencing intense stress at work and going through personal challenges, Smita noticed the first signs of her skin flaring up again. What felt like a small, harmless itch quickly escalated into a full-blown eczema. The panic set in as she tried to mask the recurring sores with makeup, but deep down she felt defeated. Memories of her past struggles flooded back and she was terrified of losing the progress she had made. This is so understandable. We all have our previous traumas kind of trying to take over our lives. But there is always a turning point in all our lives. And this was Smita's. Smita thought her flare-ups were under control until stress came crashing back. Struggling with her mental health, Smita knew she had to reach out for help. She booked another consultation with us and she poured her heart out, sharing her battle with stress and the toll that it's taken on her body. When reminded, she mentioned that because her skin was looking better and clear, she had stopped using the restorative oil and the ultra healing cream combination. But healing isn't only what's visible on the outside. So first, I asked her to add that back into her routine and suggested a comprehensive approach, addressing not just the physical symptoms, what you see on the outside, but the emotional and psychological factors at play. Smita was very keen on handling her flare-ups holistically this time. She had learned from her previous experience that handling only physically will not help. And she was very aware of her stress and the cause of the flare-ups. So that helped her a lot. Smita began journaling, practicing gratitude, and engaging in therapy sessions to heal her mind while physically nurturing her skin. It was a moment of awakening, realizing that healing is a multifaceted journey. I love such transformations because I've gone through one of them personally, and it's truly so empowering. Smita embraced a holistic healing regimen tailored specifically to her needs. She eliminated trigger foods from her diet, introducing anti-inflammatory options such as fresh vegetables, fruits, and healthy fats. Probiotics became a staple in her life alongside her herbal supplements like turmeric and omega-3 oils. She also made Olim Cottage's restorative oil a part of her skincare routine, applying it daily to soothe and nourish her skin. This oil is rich in natural extracts, helps reduce inflammation and removal of toxins through lymphatic drainage. Aromatherapy works this way on a deeper level. Alongside dietary changes, she committed to a daily meditation practice, bringing mindfulness into her everyday routine and everyday life. Every morning, she would dedicate time to visualize her skin healing, focusing on positivity, hope, and love. The Ultra Healing Cream from Olim Cottage became another part of Smita's recovery. It provided a protective barrier for her skin, aiding in the healing of damaged areas during outbreaks and ensuring that her skin felt very comfortable and moisturized. Nature played a crucial role in Smita's recovery. She made it a point to go outdoors regularly, grounding herself by connecting with the earth and taking in some early morning sunlight. Early morning outdoor walks became her sanctuary, where she found peace and clarity away from the noise of daily life. All of this a 360-degree approach, and slowly the healing process began to manifest outwardly. Her skin showed signs of improvement and her mood lifted. Remember, this is so important. 6 months passed, and with patience, persistence, and a heart full of hope, Smita emerged stronger than ever. Her skin cleared, the insecurities that once haunted her faded into the background. She learned to reunite with her body, embracing its imperfections and celebrating its strength. Smita discovered that resilience is not just about overcoming challenges, but it's also about inviting grace and self-love into the process. Today, Smita stands as a beacon of hope for others grappling with eczema and skin conditions. Her journey reminds us that healing is a complex dance of body, mind, and spirit. Through her story, she encourages others to seek holistic avenues, embrace their vulnerabilities, and remember that even in the darkest moments, there is always a path back to light. Remember, you're not alone in this fight. There's always hope, healing, and the possibility of a beautiful tomorrow. I am so proud of Smita and her entire journey and the way she took it up on herself to heal her mind, body, and soul. If this journey resonated with you, share it with someone who really needs it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.